Hi guys, it is Sunday, April 20th now, and I just did my Costco haul yesterday, but we just went to Target and picked up the rest of the things we needed for our groceries. So I'm going to share that with you, and at the end I think I will show you guys our meal plan. It's really sloppy. I haven't written it in my planner yet, but I'll show you what I've got anyways. So yeah, let me show you guys what we got from Target. So, we got a thing of linguine just because we were out. We got 3 things of barbecue sauce. We were also out of barbecue sauce, so my husband picked this Kraft Thick and Spicy, the Kraft Sweet and Spicy, and the Kraft Sweet Honey. We got some Ritz Fresh Stacks for the kids to have like for snacks and homemade Lunchables and stuff like that. And these are the whole wheat ones. We got 2 boxes of the Zatarain's Jambalaya mix. My mom used to make this for us when we were little. I'm pretty sure it was exactly this brand. But I've really been craving this, so I did buy andouille sausage. So I got 2 boxes of that. We got some skim milk, a can of corn, some green enchilada sauce, some red enchilada sauce. I'm basically planning to make pork carnitas, so I got some enchilada sauce. I wasn't sure which kind to get, so I pinned a recipe for it, so I wasn't sure which kind to get though, so I got both. The kids wanted muffins for breakfast tomorrow, and usually I would make them from scratch, but instead of buying the frozen blueberries, I decided to just get a mix, a Jiffy mix, which is like 74 cents, and they're pretty good, so we got that. We got 2 of these Grand's Original Flaky Layers. These are for pull-apart pizza bread that I made this week. My husband wants it again next week. I might film a recipe on that. It's from Pinterest. It's really easy. We have grape jelly in the fridge, but I let Junior pick another one because he's usually the one who has like sun butter and jelly or peanut butter and jelly. And he picked blackberry jam. So we got some blackberry jam. That'll be good on like English muffins and stuff too, probably for me. I needed some butter, so I just have a thing of salted butter. Some salsa. This is for the pork carnitas. I just got this mild chunky salsa, the Market Pantry brand. I got some corn tortillas for the pork carnitas again. Eggs, just a dozen eggs. Got the tricolor pack of peppers. So there's a yellow, a red, and an orange. And I got 1 green pepper. I got a thing of onions and yellow onions, and then this has cilantro in it, I'm pretty sure. There's some cilantro down there. We got pancake mix. I usually get this complete just add water mix just for like weekday mornings because I make from scratch pancakes that have yogurt and stuff in them, but for weekday mornings I don't have enough time for that, so I'll make them like I'll make these on the weekday morning so the kids can have like a nice pancakes and bacon or pancakes and fruit for breakfast, and it works out great. So I got the Market Pantry one because there was a cartwheel on that. I also had cartwheel on the Coffee Mate, and we forgot to get it at Costco, so I got my husband's French vanilla Coffee Mate. And the Swy fillets also had cartwheel on them, so I'll just put these back in the freezer for whenever. I didn't actually plan for a meal for these, but since they had a cartwheel, I grabbed them. Junior wanted blackberries, so we just got a little thing of blackberries. And Kaylee's is going on a field trip this week, so for field trip lunches, I let them pick Lunchables. So she picked this extra cheesy pizza Lunchable, and then we'll add a fruit and a juice to her lunch bag. Also needed pepperoni for that pull-apart pizza bread recipe. And then we got some non-food items, so I paid for this separate, but I paid about $56, I think, for all the food, which isn't too bad. And then some non-food items. So the kids needed a new bath mat for their bathtub, so I got this one, which actually matches their shower curtain, so I thought that was cute. They need gardening gloves because the ones they had from last year don't fit their hands anymore, so Kaylee's picked these butterfly ones, and these were actually on clearance, so Junior got these Mickey Mouse ones. I was looking for the Minnie Mouse ones, but the Mickey Mouse ones ended up not fitting her anyways. Then we got each of the kids a chapter book because Joey he just started reading chapter books now, so we saw this and I thought it was super cute. This is Stink. He is actually Judy Moody's brother. So he has like a new, they have a, I don't know how new it is, but they have a series out which are his books. So I thought Joey would really like that. So we got book number 1, and this was like $4.99, so not bad for a chapter book for him. And Kaylee's has this Never Girls series, and this is the newest book, number 8. She's read through the entire series already. This is the newest book, number 8, Far From Shore. So we got her this book as well, and we'll see how he likes this, and we might just buy him the whole series. Probably on Amazon, they have like the best deals for that. But she got her new book for her set. And then we saw this, it was a repackage, and we have, and it has Jessie, Buzz Lightyear, and the Toy Story game. So it was repackaged to $21.01, and it's originally $30, so my husband grabbed that for them. And we also got, we're starting our garden super late this year because we did go on that trip to Universal Studios. So he grabbed a few things for tomato plants. So these are actually cherry tomatoes, and he grabbed 4 of those for tomato plants. I grabbed these from the dollar spot. These were marked down, by the way, to 74 cents. These are from the dollar spot, and these are the Buzzy brand, which the kids have grown like little flowers from. These were $1, and they're organic seeds, and they have basil, parsley, and cilantro. And I figured I'm gonna get like little planters and put them on the windowsill or somewhere near the window, and I thought that would be cute to have in the kitchen. And then Kaylee's, she's been using a baby shampoo, an organic baby shampoo, I think California Baby. But I realized that she needs, it's like a shampoo plus conditioner. I realized that she needs actual conditioner. So I just decided to go ahead and buy her an adult shampoo and conditioner. I think she's old enough now to know that she has to keep her eyes closed. So we got her this organics one, and just, it's good because it doesn't have any of those yucky chemicals for your hair. And this is the Sensually Soft, I don't know how to say that, Tsubaki Blossom. And this is the shampoo and the conditioner, and they smell good. My husband needed deodorant, so that's the deodorant he uses. And just got an Up and Up dishwashing gel. So that is everything we got at Target. I think on the non-food stuff we spent closer to like 70 bucks. But not bad all around. I hope you guys are enjoying these hauls. If you want to see more hauls from me, let me know. Leave me a comment down below or thumbs up, something along those lines. I really like watching hauls. I've just never really, I mean, I've filmed a few, but I don't film them as often because I feel like people wouldn't be that interested in what I buy. So I don't know. I might just start doing these weekly. But that is everything I got at Target. I also did go to Bath and Body Works because they had their candles for 2 for $24. So I'll show you guys. I got 3 candles because I had a 10 off of 30 coupon, which makes 1 candle $2. So I will show you guys that, but I'm going to get the cold stuff put away first, and then I will show you the 3 candles I got, and it's kind of like a little bonus. Here are the 3 candles I picked up today. These were, I mean, I haven't been to Bath and Body Works since I guess the Hawaii scents came out, and I didn't actually buy any of those. I have a few other ones. I have like a Rainforest Gardenia. I had bought Love and Sunshine, and the other one I have I think is Sea Salt, something Sea Salt. I don't know, that's what I'm burning now. But I saw these. I like the container, it's cool, and they smell so good. So I'm not really into like food smelling ones, so I got this Beautiful Day, and it says, bring a fragrance as beautiful as the perfect spring day into your home. Sun-kissed apple, wild daisies, and fresh pink peonies. And it smells beautiful. And I got this sundress. This one says, easy and breezy as a sunny day on the porch. This blend of bright day lilies, tonka beans, and bergamot is a beautiful new style of fragrance. And the last one I got was honeysuckle. And this one is a blend so beautiful it could charm the dew off a honeysuckle. Notes of sweet honeysuckle nectar, creamy vanilla, and peony. So as you can tell, I like the soapy, clean smelling smells. So those are the ones I got. And like I said, they were 2 for $24. I'm pretty sure the sale ends today. So by the time you guys see this, it will be meal plan. I have this printable, got messed up, that I print off of Pinterest just to kind of the way it's organized lays out my thoughts the best. I used to use just a plain notebook and just try to figure it out, but it wasn't working for me, and I stopped meal planning for quite a while. So I'll link my Pinterest is always linked below, and this is in my Principal Obsession pin books. Excuse the mess. So here is my meal plan. It's not laid out by days yet. What I'll do is I'll meal plan on here and make my list. Go over my list and make sure, check the pantry and everything, and then I'll make a list on one of these post-it notes that I'll bring with me, and I kind of I stick it in the front of my plum paper planner, and then after I come home, I'll take this and I'll look at what my days look like. Like this day is a busy day because we have PTO that night and we have Kaylee's field trip, so probably need to be a crock pot meal that day, and I'll lay out my meals. So I've got baked whole chicken, potatoes, carrots, celery, and rice. Excuse the noise, the kids are playing Wii. I got, like I said, it's not in exact order, so. Oh, and also my husband's a very picky eater, so a lot of the meals you'll see like an extra random like kid meal on the side. That's actually for my husband, but this one says chicken rice / quinoa, because me and the kids will have quinoa, and green beans, pork carnitas, that's a crock pot meal with rice, and chicken for my husband, jambalaya with andouille sausage and salad for the kids and I, and my husband will just have a Velveeta macaroni and cheese, spaghetti, meatballs, vegetable, and homemade bread, pull-apart pizza bread, and then I just put chicken nuggets and salad there. The pull-apart pizza bread everybody eats, but we have some chicken nuggets in the freezer from Costco. I figured I could bake those up too, just to have with the pull-apart pizza bread and the salad. And then arroz con salchichas, which is yellow rice with Vienna sausages. It's a Puerto Rican meal, and beans. Everybody eats that. And then a leftovers day. So then I'll just transfer this to the days of the week once I do my planning for this week. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing that haul and the bonus Bath & Body Works haul, as well as how I meal plan and what my meal plan is for the week. Like I said, give me a thumbs up if you guys enjoy this kind of video. I like them, so I think I might continue doing them. And I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you guys later.